Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to add a delivery date in WooCommerce checkout. So you can see that we have added the delivery date, so you can select which delivery date you want. Okay, so we are going to perform this action in the checkout process. So let's start the tutorial how we are going to add it. So we have used some of the hooks, so let's begin with that. So first of all, check whether we are saving these details and saving the data. What happened? Okay. Okay. Order notes, nothing. Alter done. Let's place this order. This is done. Okay. So let's check on the detail pay on the back end. Is it showing or not? Orders. The date is not showing. Give me a second. Then what happened? So this is the code, and we have added WooCommerce after order notes. We have taken the full-fledged this one. So this is the thing. Okay. Order needed by, and after the checkout process, order required by. If it is not filled, then it will show the error. Then if it is empty, post order by, then it will but if it is not, let's check that post some of the field name, checkout update order. I think one thing which we have missed, that is not email or show new checkout field order. Show new checkout field order, that is missing. That hook is, I guess, missing. After billing address, we can show it to it. So let's add this one also at the same moment. So order id, and this we can again copy and paste this, whether it is working. If it hooks will work, and we will add it here, delivery date, delivery date. Okay. And order id, where is the name of that field? That is some field name, so we are going to add it over here. Okay. See, so delivery date parameter, it's not there. If it is some field, if it is saved, then it will show it over here. No, it is not getting the value. The order required by true. Get the id. Let's see. Get post meta, get the id, order required by true. We need to check the order id, whether that this data is saved or not. We need to check on the WooCommerce table, localhost, my admin. Let's check WordPress new checkout order Product lookup tags, order items. No. Item meta, order product. So production, this. Let's search. Okay, search some underscore field. Let's check it's save or not. So it is saved none of the field. So we need to check why it's not saving. That's the main question. So we have added and update the post meta, save new checkout. So we will check here also, right? Which process here we have used checkout update order. Is it again there? Checkout update order. It is there. Okay, two times it is there. So let's check here. It is coming or not. Order required by. Okay, so order required by we are updating. So we can use it here. Order required by, right? And we are going to reload this. No, it's not working still. So maybe the data is not saved at that moment. So let's save the data first. If it is this, then copy and paste this. Name one post meta order ID. Then we have order required field ID. Okay? And post with the order required. We will check both these parameters are coming or not. So we will print dollar post. Maybe that is not working at all. So let's see what are the parameters that we are checking in. So go to the checkout field. Oh, this order is placed. Then go to the products view. Add one of the product. Out of stock. Add to cart. View cart. Checkout. So here we are going to add any of the field. Here we can select any of the date. Okay, and then we can go to the network and check what the values of posts are printing. Okay, to check the response. Have no products in the cart. We haven't added any kind of die. Oh shit, that part we missed. Okay, so let's add one of the product again. Green, Google, add to cart, view cart, checkout. Then add the number, any of the date. Okay, then proceed with checkout. Okay, syntax error response. What we have in the checkout, we have payment method order required by. This is the parameter that we have to save. Okay, so it is order required by, post order required by. so I'm using this one. So here I am saving this data. So check out new field, so I'm going to remove it over here, right? And let's save it, then check whether it is saving or not. Let's yeah, this is okay, done. So let's place the order again. So the order is placed. Okay, go to the sales order. Where is sales order? Orders, we have new order. See the delivery date. So this is how we are able to get the delivery date. So whether you want to send it into the email section, invoice section, so you can do that way, right? We have saved that delivery date into the sales order also, and showing into the checkout field also. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Anything you any issue, any query you have, just let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment. Have a great day.